running to see. Glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild. God and sinners reconciled. Joyful creation's rise. Joy the triumph of the sky. Heaven tellers false proclaim. Christ is born in Bethlehem. Hark the herald angels sing. Glory to the newborn King. Christ the highest heaven God. Christ the everlasting Lord. Lives inside beholding God. Offspring of the wayward one. Pure and courtesy, hail the incarnate Christ. Thank God in empty prayer, is our Bethlehem of love. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the